Now you will learn how to add your own components. Right now, if you press play, you will see that you have the cars moving. So one is moving up and one is moving backwards, okay? And the reason why they're moving this way is that they do have scripts attached to them. So if you click on the taxi, you will see that it does have a script here, the car drive left. And then if you click on the car blue, it have a car drives right. So one is going like if it's going on the right side of the road, and one is going like it's going on the left side of the road. Now, what I want to show you is that if you click on the cube, you can give a very similar behavior by clicking on add component, and that's what the add component is all about. We're going to add a component, as you can see right now, and you can count already. A cube has by default that many components, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and maybe 5 with the boundaries material. All right, but click on add component. Here, go to scripts, and here this will locate all the scripts that you have within your Unity project. Now, if you create a project from scratch, you will not have these. But know that Unity provides you plenty of scripts already made to be able to move your main character and do different things, and even artificial intelligence. And they're part of the basic packages. So if you download Unity, you can always get these as well, no problem. Just know that some of them will not work on mobile development, okay? And some of them are made for only consoles like Xbox and PlayStation. Having said that, go ahead and add the car drive left script. So I clicked on car drive left, and as you can see now, it appears right here. And one of the properties within the car drive left component is the speed. First of all, let's press play and see what happens. So now the cube is moving, all right? And now if you press stop, you can play with the speed of the cube. Let's make it a lot slower. Just put 5, press enter, and press play. And now the cube will move, but a lot slower. And there you go. The cube is also moving. Now, guess what? If you want to make it move in the other direction, what could you do? Instead of putting a speed of 5, you can put a speed of -5, -5, press play. And there we go. The cube is moving away from the camera. So that's how you get to play with that. Okay? All right. So as you can see, this is how you add a new component. Now, there are plenty of components you can add, and you can go ahead and just take a look at them. I'm not going to go into all the details, but know that some of them are for physics, to make them simulate physics like gravity and explosions and things like this. Audio, if you want any sound, you know, like if you wanted to play music or play a sound when the cube is moving. You can also add events. So when something reaches a certain place, you can make something happen. You can add a mesh, special effects like lens flares and trail renderer and things like this. So there's plenty of different components, and you can actually create your own components. So know that this is really infinite, and one of the most useful and one that you're going to be using the most at some point is always the scripts, because you can basically do anything you'd like here, and that's why you need to learn C# or JavaScript, so that you can use the scripts here. All right, having said that, now let's take a deeper look into scripting.